Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Allahabad location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job openings for office coordinator for the organization KP Security. Job location is Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. Salary offered minimum 8,000 to up to 15,000 a month. The requirements are the person should have a good communication skills, must be presentable, and should have an experience in teaching profile. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 6393287973. Next, there is a job openings for computer teacher for the organization Tiwari Computer Center. Job location is Allahabad. Salary offered minimum 8,000 to up to 10,000 a month. You should be able to teach the computer and its auxiliaries, teaching computer applications. You should have a knowledge of fundamentals of computer, MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Photoshop Basic, Tally Basic, and CorelDRAW, etc. You should be able to handle ADCA students and CCC students. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 696950052. Next, there is a job openings for staff inter college. They are looking for assistant teacher. Salary offered minimum 12,000 a month. This is an English medium co-educational school affiliated to the CBSE. The person should be innovative, hardworking, and qualified teaching staff. Job profile will be like TGT English and Social Science and PGT Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, and Biology. Qualification is bachelor or master's degree with relevant subject and with BEd. Freshers are eligible for the job role and up to 5 years of experience also will be considered. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 6387595138. Next, there is a job openings for BL Agro Industries Limited. They are looking for field sales representative. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 20,000 a month. Job location is Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. If we go through the job description details, the person should be able to handle B2B sales to various retail outlets. The candidate should be able to maintain relationship with existing super stockist and distributor and appointing new as per the assigned territory. The candidate should be able to build business by identifying and selling prospects, maintaining relationships with clients. The candidate should be able to sell products by establishing contact and developing relationships with prospects or stores. The candidate should be able to answer customer questions and about specific products or services. The customer should make sure racks are fully stocked. The person should be able to contribute to team effort by accomplishing related results as needed. The candidate should be able to achieve targeted sales to earn incentives. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9129888503. Next, there is job openings for sales executive for the organization Fire and Flare Food Private Limited. Minimum 3 to 4 years of experience in sales is required. The candidate should have a good communication skills. Who are having experience in hotel industries will be preferred. Two-wheeler is compulsory for this job role and you should be able to work in challenging environment. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8851562107. Next, there is a job opening for sales executives in a healthcare MNC. Only female candidates are eligible for this job role. They are recruiting for the organization Cod Life Sciences India Private Limited. Salary offered minimum 15,000 to up to 25,000 a month. The candidate should be able to visit hospitals and meet doctors during OPD hours. The candidate should be able to promote and concept of STEM cell banking and about cord life sciences. The candidate should be able to generate leads from doctors and clients coming for checkups. The candidate should be able to approach clients in hospitals and promote stem cell banking. The benefits includes cell phone reimbursement, flexible schedule, health insurance, internet reimbursement, life insurance, paid sick time, paid time off. So these are all the other benefits. You can contact in the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7044096581. Next, there is job openings for accounts executive for the organization RS Ceramics. Salary offered up to 12,000 a month. Accounts cum data entry executive is required for the organization. The candidate should be able to good with good typing speed and should have knowledge of Excel, specifically formulas. You should be able to entry the sales or purchase on Tally. You should be able to work under business module. Female candidates are preferred for the job role. And who are having sanitary industry work background will be given preference. Work location will be, job location will be Georgetown, Allahabad. Work timings are 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. You can contact in the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 6387604606. Next, there is job openings for late Yagna Narayan, Miss Memorial Seva Samiti. They are looking for medical lab technician. Salary offered minimum 18,000 to up to 25,000 a month. The candidate should have DMLT with 6 years experience, BSc MLT with 3 years experience, MSc microbiology or 1 year experience. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9871644844. Next, there is job openings for associate professor for the organization Indian Institute of Information Technology, Allahabad. Last date to apply for the job role is 22nd. That is nothing but yet today. Salary details not disclosed. Minimum 6 to 12 years of experience is required. Education qualification is MPhil or PhD. If you go through the selection procedure, after screening the screened candidates, they will be invited for presentation in person or online mode. To and fro fare up to AC by shortest route only for travel within India will be paid by the institute on production of tickets. So you can check with the other details. For more information and to attend the apply for the job role, you can visit the official website address given here, that is https://www.iiita.ac.in. Next, there is job openings for Gramin Krishi Vikas Sansthan. They are looking for medical laboratory technician. Salary offered minimum 18,000 to up to 25,000 a month. Minimum qualification is MD DNB, pathology, microbiology, laboratory medicine, biochemistry, and BSc MLT with 3 years of experience, or BSc MSc PhD in medical biochemistry or medical microbiology, DMLT with 6 years of experience. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9999702137. Next, there is a job openings for Prince Works. They are looking for call executive. Salary offered minimum 15,000 to up to 30,000 a month. The candidate should be able to work as a call executive in Prince Works and will be paid on conversion commission basis. They will provide the best mobility to the employee as they are capable in their work. They also give training according to the requirement of the firm. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8081119773. Next, there is a job vacancy for assistant professor for the organization Uttar Pradesh Higher Education Service Commission. Number of posts available are 2003. Minimum 3 to 7 years of experience is required. Salary details not disclosed. Education qualification is any master's degree. Last date to apply for the job role is March 26th, 2021. Selection procedure will be either written exam or interview. or both will be conducted on this basis. And for more information and to get the detailed application process and further details, you can browse the provided website address. This is official website address of Uttar Pradesh Higher Education Services Commissions. The link is https://www.uphesconline.org. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Allahabad location as early as possible. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage us to do more videos for Allahabad location. Please share our channel with your friends and family members who are in need of job. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day.